There we go. Now you can see the water starting to flow through. It's at the peak of high tide. You can see over here how full the pond itself is compared to the photo that you saw earlier. Once the tide starts dropping, the flow through that concrete channel increases. And I think if I put some type of either vertical or horizontal wheel over there and try to design it so that I channel most of that water directly through it as the water passes in and out, then I should be able to put a floater over on this side and put a floater over on that side with some type of wheel device, either horizontally or vertically, to capitalize on it. I can use a wire mesh in the center to keep debris out of it both directions. And I can mount on top of the concrete clear up in here any type of motor that I need. I can run a pole off the top. I only need to run it to the facility right there, so I won't lose much voltage through the wiring. And I can line my wind generators all along this coastline here, and on the other side all along the coastline over there, hook them all in the center. Once again, they only need to go to battery banks there in the facility. So all of it will be quick access. It's not like I'll have to be running excessively long wiring. So I shouldn't get too much voltage loss. But this is every day, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. There's only a very short pause once this either gets full or low that the water's not flowing through there. Most of the time, it's either drawing one direction or the other. It, I believe, would be my most reliable. Second would be the wind. I need wind, tidal, and solar to be able to stay on top of my pump to keep them operating 24 hours a day. Being on the very tail end of the wiring out here, this area is very, very prone to brownouts. Been here 8 weeks, had over about 8 days of total brownout time. That's 1 out of every 8 days. I can't handle that and be able to run the facility. My losses of my fingerlings would be too great. Power generators, they're expensive to operate on the long term. So this seems like the most viable option for me to go with. Anyway, that's it.